What is up everyone, and welcome back to another unboxing video. As you guys can see behind me, we do have a number of packages that have arrived recently, and these are all customer orders. And in my previous unboxing video, you guys would have probably seen that all my cupboards were standing empty, but that is not the case today. So here you are able to see that I have unpacked everything, repacked them into the cupboards, and we officially are back in business again. And then on this side, just to show you, this is our audio equipment. And then coming to the last cabinet, just some of the aftermarket lights that we are able to offer. And the reason why all the cupboards were actually standing empty is because I had to pack everything up as I was busy renovating the space, just to make it a little bit more conducive for doing business and to add some additional light into this area. So we are not yet finished, but just to show you guys, this is the new ceiling with the skylight that has been added. And we obviously still need to get everything plastered, but I am happy to announce that so far everything seems to be in order, and I'm hoping that when you guys do come around to do some business and purchase some of the products that we do have on hand, that it will be a pleasant experience for you. But that's enough for the updates to the space. Let's get to unboxing these packages. Look at this. So I've actually run out of quite a bit of space, and that's something that I'll have to address in the near future for when I'm doing unboxing videos. But yeah, just to show you guys, this is a polyurethane lip for a CRX or Honda Civic EF. And then we've got a boot spoiler for a Honda Accord CU2. And as you guys can see, just like with the BMW spoiler, this one has been color matched as well in modern steel metallic. And I must say that the supplier does an amazing job of color matching. I mean, just look at all that flake and the clear coat finish. Excuse the knocking, that's just Emmy code I was trying to get in here. And then coming to the lip, as you guys will see on this side, it does look a little bit deformed. But this being polyurethane, I know that it will go back to its original shape once it gets some sun or heat, so I'm not too worried about that. Then coming to the final two pieces, as you guys can see, we've got S2000 headlight and a set of S2000 LED taillights, and these things look super cool. How I wish I could have shown you guys what they look like when they're on, but unfortunately I'm not an S2000 owner. But let's hope that one day I can make that dream a reality as well. So just coming to the back of the taillight, you will see these are your pigtails, which will go into the factory harness, as well as your other connector on the side over here. And then the headlight that the customer opted for is an OE replacement, as he didn't want to go full aftermarket due to only one of his headlights being damaged, and he just wanted to maintain the original look on his S2000. So there you go guys, as you can see we have a whole host of parts that have arrived, and I must say a big thank you to our new and existing customers for all your support. I really do appreciate that. If you guys are looking for any aftermarket parts or accessories, then I will leave all our contact information in the description below. Alternatively, you can scan the QR code which I will leave displayed on the screen now. Till the next one guys, remember, you're bold, your rules, stay motivated. Cheers.